In the previous video, I told you that we will use mv command to move a file or folder. Okay, but we can also use mv command in order to rename the file. For example, let's just quickly create a file. Let's say new file. Okay, and if you want to change the name of this file, so mv followed by the file name and then the new name. Let's say the new name would be file 888. Hit enter, and if we do ls, you can see the file name is changed to file 888. Okay, so mv is for move and also for rename. Now let's talk about our next command, which is locate command. We use this command in order to locate the file in the system. So suppose you remember the file name but you don't know the complete path of that file. Okay, so in that case we will use the locate command. So locate space the name of the file. For example, if I type passwd, passwd stands for password, and hit enter, you can see all the files related to passwd, whether it is passwd.txt or passwd.list or passwd.templates, etc. You can see all of them. Okay, so let's try one more file. So locate space user.txt file. This time I provided the extension. See, it worked. So we have got the password, dictionary, etc. So everything that has user.txt will show you here on the terminal when we use the locate command. So we use locate command in order to locate the file or know the destination of that file in our system.